Here's a 7-month review of the Milwaukee work pants that I purchased at Home Depot for $35. So after tax, it was about $38 and some change. I like these pants so much that I rebought another pair. This pocket stayed well. Back pocket frayed. I will admit, I put a lot of tools and random stuff in that back pocket to kind of make that hole happen. This is where the fun begins. This held up really good. Put utility knives, measuring tapes, didn't fray up or anything surprising. That's present on both pockets. Fair warning. For being $30 work pants, essentially, this material literally disintegrates when you scratch it. So once a hole is made, you might as well sign them off. I got lucky on the job site that this peel and stick waterproofing material was available because this hole got bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger to the point where you could see my damn underwear on the job site one day. Definitely recommend wearing knee pads when you're on your knees wearing these work pants because they frayed up real quick on my knees. And like I said, this material just disintegrates. Rip test, with very minimal effort, it rips like paper. So you really got to be careful. You see that? And with that quality being said, they're definitely cheap work pants. One of the absolute strongest thing about these pants is how well this button is sewed and the crotch area stays well put together. But I will say, just because you see the Milwaukee branding on these doesn't mean that it's the Milwaukee strength you expect. For example, on my new pair, this is my cell phone pocket essentially, and it's already frayed up and started to rip. I re-sewed it. This minimal fraying happened too. A hole that was made in a day turned into about a 4-inch hole that I had to re-sew. So not great. Do I recommend the Milwaukee work pant? I suppose it depends on what trade you do for a living. If you do an intense trade, you should probably stick to Carhartt. But if you're an electrician or someone that's doing like servicing, something like that, in residential work, I think they're actually pretty good for the price. I mean, at the end of the day, I rebought the pair, but I will say quality needs work. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. They're available at Home Depot or online.